Hi, it's Terry and Katie from Midwest Auto Care. We would like to thank all of our clients who voted for us in the 2019 Neighbor's Choice Award.
For the 6th year in a row, we were voted Best Auto Repair Facility in Lake County. We would like to thank you for your continued support and look forward to seeing you in the future.
Thanks again for everybody who voted for us. We are always striving to provide not only the best possible repair, but the best possible customer service. Thanks again for your support. We appreciate it.